Great news! We have been certified by Kartra as technical experts and business consultants. So what does it mean? How can we help you? Well, here's the long list, and we do everything. We do everything from left to right and top to bottom. The bottom line is that we want you to be successful with Kartra. We want to find the quickest way for you to start making money or simply helping your clients, whatever you prefer. We do everything from technical support to a full sales funnel setup. We can help you with email campaigns, product setup, shopping cart, landing page design, custom domain configuration, membership sites, Google Calendar integration, help desk setup. We'll help you import your leads. We'll take care of the GDPR compliance. We integrate through Zapier with a number of applications, affiliate setup, Facebook ads, Facebook pixel configuration, ScheduleOnce, Calendly integration, data migration from other applications, finally Google Analytics, Google Tags Manager. Whew, the list is long. Need help? Text us, call us at 647-891-0777 or visit our website at www.fastvanow.com. Fast because we do it fast. Give us a chance, give it a try, and the first 20 minutes is on us. We'll be happy to offer you a complimentary consultation. Thank you.